the state waiting for answers after their loved ones were murdered. Lawmakers are considering a bill that would invest more resources in solving these unsolved cases. Thanks for staying with us. I'm David Wade.
And I'm Courtney Cole. Now, the bill includes establishing a task force for unsolved homicides. WBZ's Aaron Parsegian spoke with families hoping that this will shed a light on their loved ones' cases.
It's just been a long, heartbreaking journey.
It's a journey that began in September of 1991 when Lisa Randolph's brother Terrain was shot and killed in Roxbury.
35 years too long. Just dealing with the agony of not knowing what happened to my brother and no answers from the police.
A cold case with no justice and roadblocks seeking it. A trauma she shares with Dion Latrice.
You don't get the chance to say goodbye to the person who you have known all your life. And so it has been a real challenge.
In 2017, Latrice's brother Damian Spencer was gunned down in a drive-by shooting.
There's no real justice for a life lost because you can't replace that with anything. But I think answers would help.
They're among tens of thousands in the state, still waiting for answers related to hundreds of unsolved murders, and alongside the Peace Institute advocating for legislation that would, among several provisions, create an Office of Unsolved Homicides under the Attorney General and specialized cold case investigative teams, as well as grant families the right to petition a formal review of their loved one's case.
We hear every day on the news how cold cases are solved, but they are done with intentionality. If you do not create the space to solve these unsolved homicides, they're not going to ever be solved.
State Senator Liz Miranda lost her own brother to gun violence a decade ago and sponsored the bill currently stalled in the Senate, saying the impact of unsolved murders ripples not just through survivors, but communities.
What happens is these people stay in our communities, create more trauma, and then if you don't get justice and healing, that is just generational trauma that grows and grows and grows.
And there's added pressure now. The formal session ends on Friday, and these advocates are hoping these heartbreaking stories from families desperately seeking answers helps get action from lawmakers. At the State House, Aaron Parsegian, WBZ News.
Aaron, thank you.